Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. I am Enayat sir from Sector 11 English Medium Senior Section, Milestone College. I am going to take your math class today. So my dear students, I hope all of you are ready with your book and copy. Welcome to online video recording class arranged by Milestone College on class 6 subject mathematics, and name of the conducting teacher, that is myself MD Enayat, and our today's video recording class work number will be 56, and name of our today's topic is practical geometry, exercise 7 from chapter 7 of your textbook. So my dear students, let's start the class. So my dear students, at first I will draw the line segment with the measurement 10 centimeter. So this is the line segment AB of 10 centimeter. Now we have to copy it. At first we will take any ray PQ. So such as PQ. PQ. My dear students, using pencil compass you will take the measurement of AB. So using this compass I am taking the measurement of AB. Okay. So now with the measurement, taking P as center, we will draw an arc on PQ that intersect the ray at point S. So here PS is the copy of the line segment AB, obviously with the measurement of 10 centimeter. So it is so very much easy. I hope all of you did the same thing that I did. So my dear students, thanks a lot for your correct drawing. Now I will go for my today's lecture. My dear students, now I would like to share the learning outcomes of our today's lecture, that is at the end of today's class what thing you will be able to do. So my dear students, look at the board. At the end of the class we will be able to measure of an angle with the help of given information. So we are going to solve some MCQ from exercise 7, and there you will solve this type of question. So by doing this MCQ we will be able to measure an angle with the help of given information. This is the first thing, and we will be able to draw perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So we are going to solve 14 number question from exercise 7. So there we will learn how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment, and at last we will be able to draw perpendicular at a given point of a line. So we will solve 15 number problem from exercise 7 also. On that problem we will learn this thing, that is how to draw perpendicular at a point of a line. So these are the learning outcomes of our today's class. At the end of today's class we will be capable to do all these things. So I think we should go for today's lecture now. Let's go. My dear students, here the MCQ from exercise 7. The first MCQ is, what is the measure of the supplementary angle of 28 degree? You know that the sum of two supplementary angle is 180 degree, isn't it my dear students? So among them one of the angle is with 28 degree. So we have to find the measurement of another angle. So according to the information, 180 degree is the sum of two supplementary angles. So if we subtract this 28 degree from 180 degree, that is 180 minus 28 degree. So we will get the answer. The answer will be 152 degree, that is C number is the correct answer. I hope all of you have understood. Now, the second question, it is easy. You can see what is the measure of the vertically opposite angle of 37 degree. So, my dear students, you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So, the vertically opposite angle of 37 degree must be 37 degree. So, here B number is the correct answer. And third number question is, what is the sum of two angles complementary to each other? So, here we have to find what is the sum of two angles complementary to each other. So, you know the sum of two angles complementary to each other is what? 90 degree. So, here C number is the correct answer. So, my dear students, I hope all of you have understood these three MCQ. So, let us go for the next MCQ questions. My dear students, here the 4 number question is in front of you. If one of the three angles of a triangle is 45 degree, what will be another greater angle? Actually, there are two correct options, C and D both are correct option. Why? Because you know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, one of the angle is given already 45 degree. So, if we take 90 degree as the correct option, so 45 degree plus 90 degree. So, to make it 180 degree, we need to add 45 degree, then it is 180 degree. So, for this case correct answer will be 90, and here 90 is the greater angle among all of them. If we take 80 degree as correct answer, so look at here 45 degree plus 80 degree. So, to make it 180 degree, we need to add 55 degree. So, in this case 80 degree is the correct answer, and among the three angles obviously 80 degree is the greater one. So, my dear students, so C and D both are correct option here. Now, next question, in case of construction, first condition is what is the given is called, it was theorem. In your textbook I make the correction, I write here data, because if I write here theorem then no options will be correct. So, this is why I change the word data. This one is correct, the thing that is given in the question, it is data, and what is to do is drawing. This is the main thing of construction, we have to draw figure. This one is also correct, and third option and third condition, to construct logically is proof. This one is not correct. So, here A number is the correct option, 1 and 2. So, I hope all of you have understood this 2 MCQ. My dear students, here is a figure in the STEM, and based on this figure we have to answer questions 6 to 8 in the light of the above figure. So, my dear students, 6 number question, angle A equal what? In the figure you can see that this A angle and this 40 degree angle is vertically opposite angle, isn't it, my dear students? This one is a line and this one is another line. So, they are vertically opposite angle. So, as this angle is 40 degree, so angle A will also be 40 degree. So, here the correct answer is B. So, B is the correct answer. And next question, angle A plus angle B equal what? Already we have the value of angle A, that is 40 degree. Now, we have to find the value of B. So, you can see that this line and this line intersect each other. So, angle B and 50 degree are vertically opposite angle. So, as angle B and 50 degree are vertically opposite angles, so the measurement of angle B will be 50 degree. So, here the measurement of angle A is 40 degree and B is 50 degree, sum of them will be 90 degree. So, 90 degree is the correct answer, that is D number option. Last question, angle C equal what? My dear students, from the figure you can see this is a straight line. So, sum of all these three angles is 180 degree, because the measurement of straight angle is 180 degree. So, if we subtract the sum of A and B from 180 degree, then we will get the measurement of angle C, that is 180 degree minus 90 degree. So, it will be 90 degree. So, A number option is correct for question number 8. I hope all of you have understood all these questions. My dear students, here the last MCQ from exercise 7 is in front of you with the help of protector. First condition is 45 degree angle can be drawn. Obviously, with the help of protector 45 degree angle can be drawn. 155 degree angle can be drawn. It is also correct. And third option, a circle. With the help of protector a circle can be drawn, but it is not the actual process. So, this is why we will not accept this third condition. Okay? We will take this first two conditions only. So, here A number is the correct option, 1 and 2. So, my dear students, I hope all of you have understood all the MCQ questions. So, now I will go for 14 number problem from exercise. So, let us go for 14 number problem. My dear students, now I am going to solve 14 number question from exercise 7. So, here draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment of a length of 8 centimeter. So, my dear student, I will draw the figure in the left side and the proposition and step of the construction in the right side. You know, for 4 marks question only the drawing is not enough, you must have to give the description of drawing, that is step of construction. So, the thing we need to do, that is the proposition, that is what we are going to do. So, I am writing the proposition here. Proposition. So, we have to draw perpendicular bisector, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB. Here in proposition we will identify, and here we identify the line segment as AB and the length of it is 8 centimeters. So, a line segment AB of 8 centimeters. So, this is the proposition. So, my dear students, now we will go for the figure. Please keep the thing in your memory that at the top of your copy you must have to draw the figure, then proposition, then step of construction. At the top you must have to draw the figure, be careful about that. In board I am using the left side and right side because there are not enough space, but in your copy you must have to draw the figure at first at the top, then proposition, then step of construction. Okay, my dear students. So, I am going to draw the figure. So, at first what we have to do, we have to take a line segment of 8 centimeter, and I already give the name of the line segment as AB. So, using your ruler, draw a line segment of 8 centimeter. Here the line segment of 8 centimeter length, that is AB. So, my dear students, now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So, my dear students, I would like to write the step of construction one by one, that I am doing the thing here, I will write that thing here. Okay, it will be helpful for you. So, here the step 1 will be, we draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeters. So, this one is the first step of our construction. Now, what will we do? Using your pencil compass. Okay. So, I am going to use my compass here and we will take a radius more than half of AB, more than half of AB. You can take the full length of AB and more than AB. So, we must have to take more than half of AB. taking A as center. So, look at here, I am taking A as center and with the radius more than half of AB. You can see we will draw two arcs in the both side of AB, in the upper side as well as in the lower side. Now, my dear students, with the same radius, now this time we will take B as center. Draw another two arcs in the both side of AB, and these two arcs intersect the previous arc at say P and Q. So, my dear students, I am going to write this step. Step 2. So, what have I done here? Taking A as center with the radius more than half of AB, we draw two arcs on the both side of AB. So, this will be the step 2. So, with the radius more than half of AB, taking A as center, we draw two arcs on the both side of AB, and then what have I done? Now this time taking B as the center with the same radius, taking B as the center, we draw two arcs on the both side of AB, and what happened here? These two arcs intersect the previous arc at point P and Q. They intersect the previous arcs at point P and Q. So, my dear students, this was step number 2. Now, what will we do? Using our ruler, we will join these 2 points, that is the 2 intersecting point P and Q. So, look here, I am going to join them. So, this PQ is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. So, this is step 3. Join P comma Q. Therefore, PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So, my dear students, I have completed the solution of question number 14. I hope all of you have understood this one perfectly. So, this is the drawing and this is the proposition and these are the steps of construction. So, let us go for next question, that is 15 number question. So, my dear students, here the 15 number question is in front of you on the board. Draw a perpendicular CD at a point C on a line segment AB. Again, take any other point E on CD and draw a perpendicular at E. So, this is the question. At first, we have to draw a perpendicular CD at point C on a line AB. This is the first part, and in second part on that perpendicular, that is on CD, we will take a point E and we will draw another perpendicular on that perpendicular. So, this one is a little bit complex for you. So, my dear students, I am going to do the same thing that I did for 14 number. I will draw the figure in the left side and proposition and step of construction in the right side of the board. And obviously, if you have to keep this thing in your memory, that you must have to draw the figure at the top of your copy, then proposition, then step of construction. Don't do any mistake in time of exam or any other case where you are going to do it. So, you must have to draw the figure at first, then proposition, then step of construction. So, my dear students, let us start. My dear students, so first we will write the proposition, that is what is the thing that we are going to do. We are going to do the same thing that is available here. Just we have to change the word, that is draw, take, draw, because this command is for the students, not for the teacher. This is why when student will write the proposition, they will change the word in this way. I am doing in front of you, please follow me. So, proposition, we have to draw a perpendicular CD at a point C on a line AB. Again taking any other point E on CD and we will draw a perpendicular at E. So, this is the proposition, my dear students. We have to draw a perpendicular CD at a point C on a line AB. Again, taking any other point E on CD, we will draw a perpendicular at E. So, my dear students, in the left side we will draw the figure. So, my dear students, at first I will draw a line. So, I am taking a line using ruler. So, here is the line AB and we have to take a point C on it at first. On that point we will draw the perpendicular. So, I am taking any point C here. So, my dear students, if you want, you may take this point in the left side, in the right side, in the middle, no problem. Just you have to take any point C on the line AB. So, my dear students, this is the first step. So, I am going to write the first step here. Step 1, we draw a line AB and take any point C on it. So, this is the first step, my dear students. Now, we will go for second step. First step is easy. I hope all of you are clear about that. So, second step, what we have to do? Look, my dear student, we will use the compass, taking C as center, we will draw an arc with convenient radius, okay, with convenient radius, and this arc intersect the line AB, say at point P. So, what did we do in this step? Taking C as center, we will draw an arc with convenient radius that intersect the line AB at P. So, this is step 2. We draw an arc taking C as center with convenient radius and that intersect AB at point P. So, this was the second step, taking C as center with any convenient radius. This is not fixed, it is up to you. Any convenient radius, we will draw an arc that will intersect AB at point P. So, my dear students, second step is with the same radius that we take here. So, with the same radius, now this time taking P as center, we will draw an arc, and taking this one as center, we will draw another arc. So, my dear students, this is step 2. What did we do? Taking P as center with the same radius. Taking P as center with the same radius, we draw an arc that intersect the previous arc at point say Q, and taking Q as center with the same radius, we draw another arc that intersect the first arc at point say R. So, this is the second step, third step. Step 3. So, with the same radius, taking P as center we draw an arc that intersect the previous arc at point Q. Now, this time taking Q as center with the same radius, taking Q as center, we will draw another arc that intersect the first arc at point R. So, my dear students, I hope all of you have understood step 3. So, with the same radius, that is, we draw the first arc with the same radius, taking P as center, we will draw an arc. That arc will intersect the previous arc at point Q. Now, this time taking Q as center with the same radius, we draw another arc that intersect the first arc at point R. Now, my dear students, with the same radius, taking Q as center, we will draw an arc, and with the same radius, taking R as center, we draw another arc, and they will intersect say at point S. So, my dear students, this is the step 4. So, step 4 with the same radius, this time taking Q and R as center, we draw two arcs. They intersect at point S. Now, my dear students, 5 number step is we will join this C, S and we will extend it till point D. So, this is step number 5. We will join the point C, S and extend it till D. So, step 5, we will join C, S and extend it to D. So, my dear student, this CD is the perpendicular on AB at point C. So, in short we can write here like that, CD is perpendicular on AB. So, my dear students, this was the first part, that we have to draw a perpendicular CD at point C on a line segment AB. I hope all of you have understood this part clearly. So, my dear students, now I will go for the last step, that is step number 6, and as we do not have any more space here, so I erase all this thing. So, my dear student, now I am going for step number 6. So, we have to take any other point E on CD. So, my dear student, look at here, you are taking any point E here, and now this one will be the repetition of this process. Okay, look here. So, taking E as center, with convenient radius, it is up to you. We will draw an arc. Now, taking this one as center, we will draw another arc, and taking this one as center, we will draw another arc, and taking this point and this point, we will draw two arcs here, and they intersect at point say F. So, we will join this E and F using ruler. So, my dear students, this EF is the perpendicular at point E on CD. So, this is step number 6. Similarly, we will draw a perpendicular at point E on CD, that is EF is the perpendicular at point E on CD, that is EF perpendicular CD. So my dear students, I have completed the solution of 15 number. I hope all of you have understood this one. My dear students, now it's time to take some feedback from your side. I hope all of you have understood today's class properly and all of you will be able to answer my questions properly. So my dear students, here are the questions. First question is, what is the supplementary angle of 170 degree? So you did it. That means this type of question. So one of the supplementary angle is 170 degree. So sum of two angle is 180. So another one will be only 10 degree. Isn't it, my dear students? Thank you for your correct answer. It will be 10 degree. Now, what is the vertically opposite angle of 120 degree? Easy question, my dear students. What will be the answer? Yes, 120 degree, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Now the next question is, what is the complementary angle of 45 degree? You know, complementary angle, that means sum of the angle will be 90 degree. So one of them is already 45 degree, another one will be, yes, 45 degree. Thank you for your correct answer. Now my last question is, what is the sum of three angles of a triangle? Yes, what will be the answer? Thank you, it will be 180 degree. So my dear students, thanks a lot for all of your correct answer of my feedback session. So my dear students, it's time to give you the diary. Here the diary is in front of you. Question number 14 that I have solved in my today's class, exercise 7, chapter 7, and this is the online homework number 56. So my dear students, complete your homework in your homework copy and practice your classwork properly. And I hope all of you have understood my today's class properly. But if you have any problem anywhere, please share it with your subject teacher. So my dear students, that's all for today. May Allah keep you safe. Dua for us also. Assalamu alaikum and goodbye.